This is an Extrude hone Profile 200, serial number F96-0921.
And yeah, we'll do a quick walk around, show overall machine condition. Not much on this one to show really, except come on, we're all this way, and we'll just kind of, the hydraulic systems here, I don't have to cover up. It's just a power pack here, that's all in good shape. We're loaded up. And of course the media ring. We got our temporary wires coming in down here. It's currently connected for 480 volts. So that's coming into this box right here with the little shunt trip disconnect. And of course on top of that you'll see we've got documentation for the machine with schematics. That's all good. Coming around the front side, of course, up on the control here, standard Extrude hone control. And we'll fire it up in a few seconds here. We'll take a look at this, go down low. After that, got the manifold down low here, hydraulic manifold. It's all pretty much standard, 3 solenoid valves, main cylinders. And coming up here, of course, we got our pressure control for media pressure. And we'll play with this a little bit on the fly when we're running. That said, I've got a light over here. We can show the upper cylinder condition right away because that's all cleaned out. I got a little light here and see what we got here. I don't know if you can get the camera on there. And is that lit up on there? Yeah, just kind of hold on to that for a few seconds, kind of get a good look at that. And then pull back, and what we'll do is I'll power up the hydraulics so we can get some of this media out of here and take a look at the bottom cylinder a little bit. Why not? We got a minute here. So get some hydraulic. And we got a plate up here. Let me bring this forward. Take a little bit off of here, and we'll take a look on the inside of the bottom cylinder a little bit. See what we got. So there we go. Put that there, send it back down, come on back over to this side, and I'll show the light in there. There we go. And maybe you can see that a little bit better. Just kind of see the side walls and stuff as best you can. So yeah, just put a still on there for a few seconds. That all looks pretty nice. So we'll dump the putty to the back. Yeah, we'll dump the putty back in. Do an auto cycle here. We're good to go. So, put that in. There was a steel plate here. We can put that on there. Just to simulate some back pressure for the machine. Otherwise, it doesn't see back pressure, these things don't run. They won't clock the media, I should say. So I'm going to clamp down on this, pretend these are our parts. Machine clamp. You see some movement here. Go back up just to show you. See what we got here. That's good. I'm just going to go right in and clamp up on that. And you'll see the clamp light come on right here. If you pan over this way, the green light. That says that it's clamped with sufficient pressure. We can now flip over to auto right here on this switch. I set it up temporarily, 200 cubic inches of media. And we're going to do like 5 cycles and let it time out. Then maybe do one more time, 5 cycles. So I'm going to hit, as soon as I hit auto, it's going to start cycling. Watch the clocks. Right now that bottom cylinder should be going up. We're clocking. We'll go all the way to 200. Reverse, go down. Top cylinder down now. We clocked 1 cycle. Going back up again. As soon as it reaches the top, that one goes to 2. There it is. So when you do 5 cycles like this, do this, stay here one more time, and we'll go over and play with the pressure a little bit. Now come over here, where are we at? Right about 1,000 PSI. You can see that needle moving when the when the cylinder shift. And now if I go way down here, I can back this off. That's going to be a real slow feed process. Come back up on the clock now. We'll probably be moving a little bit slower here after it switches. Let's see what we got. See, it's taking longer already for it to even get there. So we're right around 600 only. Yeah, there it is. See how slow that's moving now? Yeah. Now, while that's doing that, I'm going to speed it up, go back up to 1,000, watch it change. Now we're flying. There we go. One more cycle. Yep. And now it's going down, and it'll shut off after this one. And we're close. I think that was it, all done. Now go over to manual, just to simulate it, unclamp, I'll just go a little bit, clamp back up again. I just changed it, we're clamped again. I'm just gonna change it to a 2-cycle, and I'm gonna go to 100. This is gonna happen real fast. Go back over to auto, and we're powering up again. Bam, there's one more cycle after this, and it's done. There's 2 cycles at 100 cubic inches, and it goes back down, and that's it. So now we'll open up, and usually I don't know if this one does it automatically or not, but I usually go into manual, retract the bottom cylinder until I see this needle bump up. That way I know it's all the way, there we go. And I'm going to retract the top cylinder, lower the top cylinder to make sure all the putty, and that's all the way down already. So that finished off in a good condition. And now I'm just going to unclamp it here, take it back up, and yeah, my plate's sticking a little bit, but it's metal on metal. I don't have any vinyl in here, any plastic pieces, so that'll go up. I think this should just slide right off probably, unless it's really thick. Yeah, that all just comes away. And there we go. That's pretty much it on there. And hydraulics down. Done deal. That's a good running machine, Jim.